sulfuric acid, test tube, and matchstick. So how we are supposed to proceed with this activity is we are supposed to take a conical flask. Then there are the zinc granules that will be given to you. You are supposed to add those zinc granules to the conical flask. After adding zinc granules to the conical flask, you are supposed to mix some dilute HCl or H2SO4 solution into the test tube containing the zinc granules. After a few minutes, when you will touch bottom of the test tube, you will realize that the temperature change. There will be a temperature change. When you will bring the burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube, you will hear one pop sound. This pop sound will indicate the presence of H2. Presence of H2. I think it is very much clear up till now. So let us just begin with the observations that we have observed. The first observation in this activity is effervescence. What do you mean by effervescence? Effervescence is nothing but it is bubbling. Bubbling is observed indicating the release of gas. The test tube becomes warm, indicating an exothermic reaction. When you touch the bottom of the uh, test tube, you have realized that it is a bit warm. That is because of the exothermic reaction. The last observation from this from this activity number 1.3 here would be, if you'll bring the burning matchstick on the mouth of the test tube, you will hear a pop sound. That pop sound confirms the presence of the hydrogen gas. So the chemical reactions involved in this activity is Zn plus 2HCl gives you ZnCl2 plus H2 and Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. So frequently asked question is, why is effervescence observed when zinc is added to the dilute acid? Due to the formation of hydrogen gas. This is the answer. Due to the formation of hydrogen gas, effervescence occurs. What type of salt? ZnCl2 and ZnSO4, two salts are there. Why is zinc more reactive than hydrogen? Because in reactivity, zinc is placed above hydrogen. The fourth question is, what do you understand by displacement reaction? The displacement reaction occurs when more reactive element replaces the less reactive element. In this chemical reaction, we can easily see that Zn plus HCl, ZnCl2 plus H2. So this confirms that zinc here is more reactive than hydrogen. So this is the entire three activity that we have covered up till now. From this activity onwards, we can begin our chapter, chemical reactions and equations. So before beginning, these three activities should be covered, and I have already written the outcomes of all these three activities that we have performed. So whenever you have seen a chemical reaction has taken place, there are certain outcomes that are compulsory. Either of these outcomes would be there. Change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in damage. I think it is pretty much clear up till now that any of these four changes will be there for sure in any chemical change. I repeat, any four of these changes would be there if there is any chemical reaction that has taken place. The four changes here are change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, or change in temperature. Formation of a new substance also. So in activity 1.1, we have seen two changes, that is solid MgO was covered into powdered MgO. That is, and there was again a formation of, I think आपको इसमें add कर लेना चाहिए E point, that is formation of new substance. Formation of new substance. MgO. Activity 1.2 में हमने देखा था formation of new substance, that is PbI2 was formed, change in color. And activity 1.3 that we have performed now, that is evolution of gas, change in temperature, and formation of new substance. So now we have covered all the three activities, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. We are ready to begin with our chapter. Thank you.